Are you looking for delicious appetizers to serve guests when they come over? Are you stumped for ideas, something different, something new to serve? Well, keep watching. I have two recipes, two simple recipes, one hot, one cold, that you can serve your guests anytime, and they're so easy. So if this is something you're interested in, keep watching. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and I'm so happy you stopped by. So today I'm participating in another invite, and this one is being hosted by Mickey from Live, Laugh, Love, Pray. Hope I said that right, Mickey. And This and That with Denise. And this challenge, this invite is to share our best game day appetizers. Game day meaning, I guess, the Super Bowl is coming up. But I like to think of it as appetizers to serve your guests anytime. And I have two super simple, super delicious recipes to share with you today. And the beauty of them are, one is hot and one is cold. So you get the best of both worlds for your guests. So I want to thank Mickey and Denise for hosting this great invite. And without any further delay, let's get started on the first appetizer. So this appetizer is served hot, and it's super simple. It requires 3 ingredients, and that's it. So the first ingredient is going to be chili sauce. Any type of chili sauce. I just happen to have this in my cupboard. I usually have it in my cupboard, so a chili sauce. Next is going to be a grape jelly. And as you can see, I've used some of it. I always have this in my fridge as well, but it's got to be jelly, not jam. I can't stress that enough. Jelly. And yes, grape. And the other thing, the last ingredient, are meatballs. And this is a lazy man's appetizer. I don't make my own meatballs. No way, Jose. I use frozen, and this is just the kind that I have, but any frozen kind will do. And that's it. So let's get making them. Okay guys, I told you this recipe was super easy. What you're going to do is take your chili sauce and dump it in a pot, the whole jar. And then I'm going to take about half a jar of my grape jelly and put that in the pot and put it on about a medium heat and give it a stir up, and when it's boiling, then you can add in your meatballs. Sometimes I like to add in some garlic if I have fresh garlic, or garlic salt or powder. Just depends on the day, and in this case I've decided to put in a little bit of garlic powder as well. And that's it. And then you just add in your meatballs once it's all combined and bubbling, and let it sit on the stove for maybe 15-20 minutes. Super simple. Now here's a tip for all you little mamas out there with little ones. I used to make this for my kids for dinner and place it over rice, and they loved it. So there's a quick tip if you want an easy meal for the kiddos. Make these meatballs and add some rice and a veggie, and you're good to go. Now I just took some of the sauce and placed it in another pot so I could make my vegetarian meatballs, and everything is the same. I just took a couple spoonfuls of the sauce and put the meatballs in, covered them, and that's it. All done. So for the cold appetizer, it's very simple, and again, it's just 3 ingredients. A cracker of your choice, some red pepper jelly, and some cream cheese. Simple, simple. So while your meatballs are cooking, you can prepare your crackers with the cream cheese and the red pepper jelly. And I told you guys these were super simple, easy recipes. How much easier can it be? Spread some cream cheese on your crackers, then put a spoonful of red pepper jelly on top, and you have got a delicious, delicious appetizer. So there you go. They're my 2 super simple appetizer recipes that you can serve to guests anytime. And if you have these simple ingredients on hand, You can whip these up in no time if company stops by unexpectedly and you look like a hero. And while the hot ones are cooking, you can quickly whip up the cold ones, the crackers with the cream cheese and red pepper jelly, and they can be munching on those until these are done, and they really don't take much time at all. And that's the beauty of using the frozen meatballs. And then of course I use the vegetarian ones for anybody out there that's vegetarian like myself. So I hope you enjoyed this video on these two simple appetizer recipes. I want to thank Mickey and Denise for hosting this open invite to share our favorite appetizers. I hope that you all give it a try, and let me know in the comments below if you do decide to give them a try and what you thought. I'd love to know. And if you're new here, thank you for stopping by. I hope that you liked your time here and you'll think about giving this video a thumbs up and think about subscribing before you exit on out. I'd love to have you join me each week. I try to share weekly videos, try to post every Wednesday, depending on the work schedule, but I try to post every Wednesday. So please stop by again. I hope that you do. And until next time, guys, I hope you have a fabulous week. Bye.